while you guys taking pictures of that cake and all that, we're all gonna get together right now and we're gonna do a little photo op. Alright? So get your cake, get your slice. The people that are over there in the front, come over here in the back. We're gonna do a little something like the Last Supper, some Leonardo da Vinci stuff. Alright. So all y'all people over there in the front, get your cakes and come over here. The cameraman's gonna be over there, gonna take photos of us. A horror film at the cinema alone. Actually, never mind. You have, Chris. Okay, what was this movie? Halloween. Which one?
Who's your idol? Gwen.
Nasungkit ng BINI ang top local group of 2024 dahil sa kanilang mga sunod-sunod na smash hit katulad na lamang ng Pantropiko, Salamin, Cherry on Top na talaga namang tinangkilik ng mga listeners. At ang BGYO naman para sa kanilang Patentero being the #1 most streamed track on the playlist, sila ang Spotify's Best of P-Pop on the Rise. Magingay naman sa mga sisiw dahil itong si Philip, nasungkit niya ang Best of Bisdak para sa kanyang kantang Kanako. Napakadami talagang mga magagandang kanta na tinatangkilik ng mga listeners dito sa Spotify Wrapped. Kaya naman congratulations BINI, BGYO, and Philip para sa kanilang recognition dito sa Spotify's Wrapped 2024 Dinner. Thank you very much for watching, and this has been Jaco. For more updates, don't forget to like and subscribe. Congratulations sa mga nagwagi.